In this video, we'll show you how to add a product to your Shopify store using the Ninja Pod app. From the app, click Create a Product to start building your custom product. Browse through the available blank products and click on the one you want to customize. You can select up to 6 colors. Next, upload your design. Click Upload Art to choose your file, or Add Art with our AI tools. Once uploaded, you can adjust the size and placement to your liking. When it's perfect, name and save your design. Scroll down to set your product details or leave the pre-filled product description. Below, you can bulk edit your pricing, profit, or profit margin percentage. Save any changes you make and you're ready to create in Shopify and publish to online store. The Ninja Pod app will automatically create the product listing in your Shopify store. A great feature to utilize is our Add Lifestyle option. Select a photo that fits your style, adjust the color options for your product, and click Create Image. Then, go to View Product on Shopify. From here, you can reorder your images and remove any unnecessary media. And that's it! Your new product is now live and ready to sell. Thanks for using Ninja Pod!